Good morning class. Today we are going to start with practice set 1.1 of linear equations. Okay. So first question is about the activity. Okay. In activity we have to fill up the blanks. Okay. We have to fill in the blanks. Okay. Now here we are given with two equations. 5x plus 3y is equals to 9 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. So these are the two equations. First equation is 5x plus 3y is equals to 9 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 12 is the second equation. Now what we have to do? We have to solve this by elimination method. Means we have to eliminate one of the variable. Okay. So you can check here plus 3y and minus 3y. Okay. So y is having the same coefficient. If we add them, so obviously it is going to eliminate. So now after adding equation 1 and 2, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So 5 plus 2, that is nothing but 7 we are going to get. And 9 plus 12, that is nothing but equals to 21. Okay. Then further, this 21 is in the numerator, then 7 will go in the denominator. Okay. Now 21 and 7 here. Now 7, how many are 21? 7 3s are. So value of x is equals to 3. Now we can do one thing. We can substitute. Okay, we can substitute the value of x in equation 1. Okay, so 3y, then 9, and this 5x will go this side. Okay, now you can check here. We have got the value of x. Okay, we have got the value as x as 3. Okay, so we can substitute in any of the equation. So let us consider here. Now we have 3y is equals to 9 minus 5 into x. Okay, now 5 into x, value of x will be 3. So 9 into 5 into 3. So 9, 5 3s are, it will be 15. Okay, so minus 15 and plus 9, it will be minus 6. It will be minus 6. 5 3s are 15 and this negative sign as it is. So minus 6 over here. So we are going to get minus 6 over here. Now if we consider minus 6 here, okay, if we consider minus, then here it will be 15. Directly I am multiplying, 5 3s are, that is equals to 15. Then we know that 9 minus 15, 9 minus 15, that is equals to minus 6. Okay, then minus 6 here. Okay, then 3 how many are? 2s are. So it will be minus 2. So answer will be minus 2. So in this way we have completed the first one. Once again I am repeating. We have two equations, 5x plus 3y equals to 9 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. Then we have solved it by elimination method, adding equation 1 and 2, that is 7x equals to 21. Then 21 we have divided by 7. Okay, then further 7 3s are. So by putting this in equation 1, in equation 1 we have substituted the value. Then we have got as minus this 15 over here, 5 3s are 15, and then 9 minus 15, that is equals to minus 6. Minus 6 divided by 3, answer is equals to minus 2. Okay, so this was the first question. Okay, then we'll proceed with question number 2. This was an activity. We have to fill up the blanks. Okay, so we have completed the first activity. Activity is very important and in every exam it appears. Okay, so you need to prepare it thoroughly. If you have not understood, directly you can watch the video again. Okay, now further we'll proceed with question number 2. Okay, in question number 2 we have to again solve the equations. Okay, so first one is 3a plus 5b equals to 26 and a plus 5b is equals to 22. Okay, 3a plus 5b equals to 26 and a plus 5b is equals to 22. Okay, these are the two equations. This is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. Okay, equation 1 and equation 2. Now we can solve it by any method, by substitution method also, by elimination method also. Choice is ours. Okay, so let us solve this by substitution method. So by taking equation 2, we get a is equals to 22 minus 5b. Now this 5b we have transposed on the right hand side. Okay, we are solving this by substitution method. Now this value of a we have to substitute in equation 1. Equation 1 we have to substitute this value. Okay, so here put a is equals to 22 minus 5b in equation 1. In equation 1 we have to put up this. So 3, then instead of a we are going to write this value 22 minus 5b plus 5b is equals to 26. Now 3 into 22, that is equals to 66. Now 3 into minus 5, this is nothing but minus 15b plus 5b is equals to 26. Okay, then this 66 we can transpose on the right hand side. Okay, this we can transpose on the right hand side. So obviously we are going to get minus 15b and plus 5b, minus plus minus, so it will be minus 10b. Then 26 minus 66, 26 minus 66, this we have to do the subtraction. So obviously we are going to get minus 10b is equals to minus 40. Minus minus will get cancelled. Now this 10 is there, minus minus cancel. Okay, this is not a plus sign, I have cancelled that. Now both are positive over here. Now 10 we have to transpose on the right hand side. So b is equals to 40 upon 10. So b is equals to 4. Value of b is equals to 4. Now this value of b we have to substitute in equation 3. Okay, in order to get the value of a. So put a is equals to b in equation 3. We are going to put this in equation 3. So we'll be getting a is equals to 22 minus 5 into 4. So a is equals to 22 minus 5 into 4, this will be 20. So 22 minus 20 will be equals to 2. So value of a is equals to 2. Okay, so our solution set will be 2, 4. Okay, a comma b means 2, 4. This is the solution set. Okay, so write down this and we'll proceed with the next one. Okay, so this was the first one. Now after this we'll proceed with the second bit. Okay, in the second bit we have x plus 7y is equals to 10, 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. Okay, there are two equations. Okay, first equation is x plus 7y equals to 10 and second equation is 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. First one, x plus 7y is equals to 10 and next one is 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. Now again this is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. Again we can solve this by substitution method. Okay, so by taking equation 1, by taking equation 1 we get, okay, by taking equation 1 we get x is equals to 10 minus 7y. Okay, this is equation 3. What we have done, this 7 we have transferred on the right hand side. So it was plus 7y, now it is here minus 7y. Okay, and 10 as it is. Okay, this is equation 3. Now this value we have to substitute in equation 2. We cannot substitute this value in equation 1. Okay, this is wrong. Because this third equation is formed from equation 1. Okay, so we have to substitute this value in equation 2. So put x is equals to 10 minus 7y in equation 2. In equation 2. Now on the place of x, we are going to substitute this value. So 3 into 10 minus 7y minus 2y is equals to 7. Okay, now 3 into 10, that is equals to 30. 3 into 7, that is equals to minus 21y, and minus 2y equals to 7. Okay, now 30 we can transpose on the right hand side. Minus 21y and minus 2y, this is nothing but minus 23y, and this will be 7 minus 30. So minus 23y is equals to minus 23. Okay, then here minus, so on the LHS also minus sign is there, on the RHS also minus sign is there. Left hand side minus sign and right hand side minus sign will get cancelled. Now this 23 here in the multiplication, on the right hand side it will go in the division. So y is equals to 23 upon 23. So y is equals to 1. Okay, so value of y is equals to 1. Now this y is equals to 1 we can substitute in equation 3. Okay, so put x is equals to 10 minus 7y. Now 10 minus 7, instead of y we will put here 1. Okay, so 10, 7 ones are 7. Okay, so 10 minus 7, that is equals to 3. Okay, so value of x is equals to 3 and value of y is equals to 1. Okay, so this was the second bit of question number 2. Then we will proceed with the third bit of question number 2. Now question number 2, third bit, that is equals to 2x minus 3y equals to 9, 2x plus y equals to 13. Okay, now this is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. Okay, now we are going to solve this by elimination method. Okay, we can solve it by elimination. Now first two questions I have shown by elimination method. Now substitution method. This third one we will solve it by elimination method. Okay, now elimination means we have to eliminate the variable, any one variable. Okay, we have to cancel it. Elimination means cancellation. So we have to cancel any of the variable. Okay, so first of all we have to make the coefficient same. Now here you can see it is 2x, here also 2x. Now but they have the same values. Now here this minus 3y and plus 3y. So obviously if we multiply equation 2, okay, or directly what we will be doing, we will be subtracting equation 1. We will subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, because this 2x is same. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2 means we have to subtract equation 1 from 2. Okay, so 2x plus y equals to 13 and 2x minus 3y equals to 9. Now we have to subtract. So minus here. Now this is minus. So minus will become plus. And this again minus here. Now see here. Plus 2x and minus 2x will cancel. Now y and plus 3y. This was minus. So minus has become plus now. So plus y and plus 3y will become 4y. Now 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 that is equals to 4. So y is equals to 4 upon 4. So y is equals to 1. Now this is the value of y, that is equals to 1. Okay, now this value of y we can substitute in equation 1 or 2. In any of the equation we can put it. Okay, now put y is equals to 1 in equation 1. In equation 1 we are substituting. Okay, now instead of y here we are going to put 1. So 2x minus 3 into 1 is equals to 9. So 2x, 3 ones are 3. So it will be minus 3 equals to 9. 2x, now minus 3 plus 9, that is equals to 12. So x is equals to 12 upon 2. So x is equals to 12 twos are 12 divided by 2, that is equals to 6. So answer is 6 for x and y is equals to 1. So solution set is equals to 6 comma 1. Solution set is 6 comma 1. First is always x and second one is always y. Okay, so 6 comma 1 is the solution set. Okay, and what is the solution set in the second one? The solution set is 3 comma 1. Okay, and in this this one it is 6 comma 1. Okay, now with the fourth bit of question number 2. Okay, 5m minus 3n equals to 19. M minus 6n is equals to minus 7. Okay, now see the equation. 5m minus 3n equals to 19. This is equation 1. M minus 6n is equals to minus 7. This is equation 2. Okay, equation 1 is 5m minus 3n equals to 19 and m minus 6n is equals to minus 7. This is equation 2. Now we will solve this equation by substitution method now. Okay, so by taking equation 2, by taking equation 2, okay, we are solving this by substitution method. By taking equation 2, m is equals to minus 7 plus 6n. Okay, now this is your equation 3. Okay, this one is your equation 3. Now here this value of m we have to substitute in equation 1. Instead of m here we have to put up this value. So it will be 5 minus 7 plus 6n minus 3n equals to 19. Minus 7 plus 6n minus 3n equals to 19. Now see here 5. Now this m's value we have put here. Okay, so instead of m we have written here. So 5 into minus 7, this will be minus 35. 5 6 are 30 and minus 3n equals to 19. Okay, now minus 35 we have to transpose on the right hand side, so it will become plus. When we shift on the right hand side, always the sign changes. Here it is minus, so this side it will become plus. So 30n minus 3n equals to 19 plus 35. Okay, now 30n minus 3n. 30 minus 3 will be 27 and this n as it is. Now 19 plus 35, this will be equals to 54. Okay, now this n is in the form of multiplication. Okay, this is in the form of product. So n is equals to 54 upon 27. So n is equals to 27 2s are. So n is equals to 2. N is equals to 2. Now this value of n we have to substitute in equation 3. Okay, so that we are able to find the value of m. So put n is equals to 2 in equation 3. So what is equation 3? Equation 3 is m is equals to minus 7 plus 6 into 2. So minus 7, 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Then 12 minus 7, that is equals to 5. So m is equals to 5. So what is the solution set? M comma n. So value of m is 5 and value of n is 2. Okay. So this is the solution set for the fourth beat of question number 2. Okay. Now we'll start with the fifth beat of question number 2. Now 5x plus 2y equals to minus 3. Okay. 5x plus 2y is equals to minus 3 and x plus 5y is equals to 4. Okay. Now see here, the fifth beat, that is 5x plus 2y is equals to minus 3 and x plus 5y is equals to 4. Now this is our equation 1. Equation 2. Always whenever you write the equation, please give the numbers to them, so it will be convenient for solving. Now here we are going to take equation 2. For this also we will be solving with substitution method. Okay. By taking equation 2 we get. Okay. So equation 2 we are taking. So x is equals to my 5y will transpose on the right hand side. So 4 here as it is. Now this was plus here. Side had changed, so it will become minus. So x is equals to 4 minus, no need to write, directly will give here. This is equation 3 now. Okay, this is equation 3. Now this equation 3 where we are going to substitute in equation 2? No. We are going to substitute this value in equation 1. Why? Because this value is created from equation 2. So we don't have any right to substitute this value in equation 2. We have to substitute this value in equation 1. Okay. So it will be 5. Instead of x, we are going to write now 4 minus 5y plus 2y equals to minus 3. Okay. 5 4s are, it will be 20. 5 5s are, it will be minus 25y plus 2y equals to minus 3. Now this 20, okay, this 20 we are going to transfer on the right hand side. So it will be minus 25y plus 2y is equals to minus 3 minus 20. Now see here, minus 25y plus 2y, minus plus minus, 25 and minus 2, it will be minus 23y. Okay, and this minus minus plus, but the sign of greater number. What is the sign of greater number? Minus. So it will be minus 23. So minus minus cancel. So y is equals to 23 upon 23. So y is equals to 1. Value of y is equals to 1. Now we can substitute this value in equation 3 so that we can have the value of x. Put y is equals to 1 in equation 3. So x is equals to 4 minus 5 into 1. X is equals to 4 into 5 ones are 5. So x is equals to minus 1. Okay. So value of x is minus 1 and value of y is 1. So solution set will be minus 1 comma 1. So this was the fifth beat. Okay students, so today we have covered total 6 questions. Further total 6 beats we have covered. So tomorrow we'll proceed with the next beats. Okay, thank you very much.